Modding Minecraft Bedrock Edition and have entity definition files for custom mobs. These JSON files define creature behaviors and properties. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with these Minecraft Bedrock entity definition files. The fastest method is last. We will prove that a single quality entity file inspection program is sometimes all you need for complete mastery over various file types. An entity file is a component of Minecraft Bedrock Edition resource and behavior packs, used to define the properties and behaviors of in-game entities like mobs, villagers, or items. Modders and content creators edit these files to customize how entities look, act, and interact with the world. This file uses a JSON JavaScript Object Notation structure, a human-readable text format. This design choice by Mojang facilitates easy modification by the modding community, allowing creators to define components, events, and properties using a simple key-value pair system without needing specialized tools. Minecraft Bedrock Edition, engineered by Mojang Studios. Microsoft is the application of choice for entity. The complex layout and formatting tags are not correctly parsed by Windows defaults. Windows cannot interpret animation, shader, or resource data, so proper handling demands dedicated utilities. The initial action is crucial. Right-click your entity file and select Open With. Use Minecraft Bedrock Edition if it's installed. It's the best candidate. If not, cycle through the remaining options until one works. If your entity file will not open, do not worry. This is a truly stubborn entity file. To find the error source, we need to test these critical common failure points right now. First, editing in VS Code. Open entity files in Visual Studio Code with the Minecraft Bedrock Development extension installed. The extension provides JSON schema validation syntax, highlighting and IntelliSense for Minecraft entity properties. This makes editing custom entities easier with auto-completion and error detection for valid behavior pack development. Next, testing in Minecraft. Place modified entity files in your behavior pack folder structure under Entities subdirectory. Activate the behavior pack on a Minecraft world and test the entity in-game. Use commands like summon to spawn the custom entity, verifying behaviors, animations, and properties work as defined. Iterate on the JSON to refine entity behavior. Finally, learning entity schema. Reference Microsoft's Minecraft Bedrock developer documentation at learn.microsoft.com for complete entity schema documentation. The official docs explain all available components, properties, and events for entity development. Study vanilla Minecraft entity files included in the development resource pack as examples of correct entity definitions. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.